What is the best filing status for a non-resident alien spouse? Imagine you're trying to figure out the best way to file your taxes when your spouse is not a U.S. citizen or resident. It can feel confusing, but knowing your options can make a big difference. When a U.S. citizen or resident alien is married to a non-resident alien spouse, the default way to file is called married filing separately. That means you file your taxes on your own, and your spouse is treated as a non-resident for tax purposes. This method is simple, but it often results in paying higher taxes and missing out on some tax credits and deductions. There is an important alternative, though. You and your non-resident alien spouse can choose to treat your spouse as a U.S. resident for tax purposes. If you make this election, you can file as married filing jointly. This usually leads to lower overall taxes and access to more tax benefits. To do this, you need to include your spouse's worldwide income on your tax return. This election is a one-time decision unless you decide to revoke it with approval from the Internal Revenue Service. Keep in mind, this choice does not change your spouse's immigration status. Another option is head of household. This is only available if you pay more than half the cost of maintaining a home for dependents or relatives, and your non-resident spouse must have a valid Social Security number. But this is less common and only works in specific situations. Remember, if you are legally married, you cannot file as single, even if your spouse is a non-resident. If your non-resident spouse does not have a Social Security number or an individual taxpayer identification number, you can still file electronically. You just need to indicate their non-resident status or apply for an ITIN for them. For many Asian American taxpayers with immigrant family members, understanding these options can help you choose the best way to file while following IRS rules. Your financial situation, income, and whether including foreign income makes sense will influence your decision. Consulting a tax professional familiar with immigrant and non-resident tax rules can help you pick the best filing status for your family.